Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have 10 5 off $25 scenarios to share with you all for this Saturday, November the 11th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a few other DG videos this week that you might want to go and check out. We've got new coupons, we have a full glitch list with over 45 glitches, and we also have a 3-day sale going on right now, as well as a clearance event that doesn't end until Monday. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out, because you're not going to want to miss out on any of these awesome deals. Now, let's go ahead and talk about our 5 off $25 scenario. So for this week, I wanted to go ahead and focus on these double dip deals, because these DG store coupons do expire today on November the 11th. So first up, we have this 5 off 25 on P&G paper products. That does include the Charmin, Bounty, and Puffs tissues. I've put together a few different options for you all, so let's go ahead and take a look. For our first scenario, you want to pick up one of the Charmin Mega Rolls 6 count. These are priced at $10.50. One of the Bounty Essential Double Rolls 6 count. These are priced at $8.95. And two of the Bounty Essentials 2 count, priced at $3.50 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.45. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need both of those 5 off 25 DG store coupons, the 1 off 1 Charmin, 1 off 1 Bounty, and the 50 cent off 1 Bounty. After coupons, you're paying $13.95 for 4 items, making those $3.48 each. And don't forget that if you're at an old register store, you can definitely take advantage of some of the glitches that we have going on, because we do still have overages, so you can throw those in and lower your out-of-pocket. Now, here's an alternate way that you can do this deal. You can pick up two of the Charmin Essentials 12 count. They're on sale, 2 for $10. One of the Charmin Mega Roll 6 count, priced at $10.50, and one of the Bounty 2 count, priced at $6. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.50. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need both of those 5 off 25s, 3 of the 1 off 1 Charmin, and the 1 off 1 Bounty. After coupons, you're paying $12.50 for 4, making those $3 each. Now, if you would rather have the Puffs tissues versus the 2 count Bounty paper towels, those are an even swap. So you can pick up 3 of the Puffs tissues at $2 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.50. Here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And after coupons, you're paying $12.50 for 6 items, making those $2.08 each. Now, here's actually one of the deals that I did last Saturday, and I posted it on the community page. Pick up 2 of the Charmin Essentials 12 count on sale, 2 for $10. One of the Bounty Essentials Double Roll 6 count on sale for $8.95, and 2 of the Bounty Essentials 2 count, priced at $3.50 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.95. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need both of those 5 off 25s, 2 of the 1 off 1 Charmin, 1 off 1 Bounty, and the 50 cent off 1 Bounty. After coupons, you're paying $12.45 for 5 items, making each one just $2.49 each. All right. Next up, we're going to go over a couple of gain deals, because we did receive this 5 off 20 gain coupon this weekend. Unfortunately, it does expire today on Saturday, November the 11th. So for this first deal, you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents, priced at $5.50. One of the Gain laundry products, priced at $4.50. You can choose from the flings, the fabric softener, the dryer sheets, or the fireworks. Just make sure that you ring up that product first, because we are also picking up one of the Gain dryer sheets, priced at $4.50, and we want the correct coupons to attach. Then we're going to pick up 2 of the Gain scented Febreze products, priced at $3.25 each. You can choose from the Air Effects, the Wax Melts, or the Small Spaces. One of the Gain Easy Squeeze, priced at $2. One of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $1. One of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. One of the Tums 12 count for $1.25. One of the Vicks 20 count cough drops for $1. And one of the Always Discreet 26 count liners at $3.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.50. Now for this deal, I have included a lot of those freebies, and we do have overages. Now, do you need all of these products to make this deal work? No. Look at your subtotal. It's at $30.50, and your subtotal before coupons only needs to be at $25. So you do have a little bit of wiggle room with this deal. Now, here's a look at the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and after everything has been applied, that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $5.20 for 11 items, making each one just 47 cents each. All right, for our second Gain scenario, you want to pick up one of the Gain flings, priced at $15.95, 2 of the Gain scented Febreze products at $3.25 each, one of the Colgate Max White toothbrushes, priced at $3, one of the Oral-B toothbrushes, priced at at $1, one of the Tums 12 count at $1.25, and one of the Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $28.70. And here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. After everything has been applied, you're going to pay $5.40 for 7 items, making each one just 77 cents each. All right, next up, we're going to be stacking our 5 off 25 with our 5 off $25 Friskies cat food. This coupon does expire tomorrow on November the 12th. So for this first one, you want to pick up 3 of the Friskies 3.5 pound bags of cat food at $5.25 each, one of the Friskies 12 count cans of cat food priced at $10.95, one of the Vicks 20 count cough drops for $1, one of the Tums 12 count for $1.25, and one of the Always Discreet 26 count liners at $3.25. That is going to put your subtotal at $32.20. Now, y'all keep in mind that I'm only throwing in the Vicks, Tums, and the Always Discreet to take advantage of that overage and to get a little bit lower out of pocket. So after all coupons have been applied, that is going to put your subtotal at $10.20 for 7 items. So you should get back 75 cents on each of the bags of the Friskies dry cat food and $1.50 on the 12 count cans. Final price $6.45 for 7 items, making each one just 92 cents each. All right, for this next one, we're going to pick up 3 of the Friskies 3.5 pound bags of cat food at $5.25 each. 15 Friskies 5.5 ounce cans. They're on sale 5 for $4. One of the Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1, one of the Tums 12 count at $1.25, and one of the Always Discreet at $3.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $33.25. And here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. After all the coupons have been applied, you're going to pay $11.25 for 21 items. But again, we do have those DG cashback offers, so you're getting a total of $2.25 back on the Friskies dry cat food and $1.25 on the canned food. Final price $7.75 for 21 items, making each one just 36 cents each. All right, for this next one, you want to pick up 3 of the Friskies 3.5 pound bags of cat food at $5.25 each. One of the Friskies 16 pound bags of cat food on sale for $16. One of the Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1. One of the Tums 12 count at $1.25, and one of the Always Discreet at $3.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $37.25. Here's the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. After coupons, you're going to pay $11.25 for 7 items, but we're still getting DG cash back. $3 back on the Friskies dry food and $1.50 back on the large Friskies dry food. Final price $6.75 for 7 items, making each one just 96 cents each. All right, next up, you want to pick up 3 of the Friskies 3.5 pound bags of cat food at $5.25 each. One of the Friskies 12 pound bags of cat food for $14, one of the Vicks cough drops for $1, one of the Tums for $1.25, and one Always Discreet for $3.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $35.25. Here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and I also want to go ahead and mention, make sure that you ring up these small bags of cat food first. That way the correct coupons attach to the correct items. So after coupons, you're paying $9.25, but we're getting DG cash back, $3 back on the Friskies dry food, and $1.50 on the large dry food. Final price $4.75 for 7 items, making each one just 67 cents each. Also, don't forget to check your Shopkick and Fetch Rewards accounts. Scan in those receipts, scan those products in stores. We're not going to leave any money on the table today, y'all. Now, that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, but before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.